Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to fix automatic downloads options grayed out in App Store on iPhone running iOS version 14.4. So let's start. So first of all let me show you the automatic downloads options in App Store on my iPhone. So let me open my settings app and then let me scroll down to App Store. So here I have this App Store. Let me tap on this to open it. You can see it's opened. And if I come to this automatic downloads, this section, you can see I have, these options grayed out. So let me show you how we can fix this. So in order to fix this, we need to disable the low power mode. Okay. So let me show you how we can disable the low power mode. So if you have this, App Store, this screen opened, you have to go back, come to the main screen of this settings app. And after that, you have to scroll down to battery. So let me go to that. So here I have this battery. So you have to tap on this. And I have this battery, this screen opened. And you can see here we have this option low power mode. And currently it's enabled. So in order to disable this, you have to tap on this toggle, this button next to this low power mode and move this slider to the left. So let me tap on this. And you can see it's now disabled. So let's go back to the automatic downloads options. So let me go back. Let me open this App Store. And if I come to this automatic downloads, this section, you can see I have these options not grayed out. So it's now done. And also let me show you guys that I have iOS version 14.4 installed on this iPhone device. Okay, so let me go back. Let me tap on this general. Let me tap on this about. And here I have this software version. You can see I have iOS version 14.4 installed on this iPhone XR. So let me go back. Okay, so after you're done, you can close your settings app. So let me close that. So that's it. In this way, you can easily fix automatic downloads options grayed out in App Store on iPhone running iOS version 14.4. So thanks for watching. If you like my videos, please support this channel by subscribing to it. Thanks. Bye bye.